In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share out of Office in Outlook. We'll walk through the process inside Microsoft Outlook so you can quickly mark time when you're unavailable and make sure it appears clearly on your calendar. This is helpful if you're taking time off, attending an appointment, or simply need to block time when others should know you won't be available. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook. Once Outlook is on your screen, look to the navigation area and click Calendar. This will take you away from your email view and into your schedule, where you can create and manage calendar items. After you're in the Calendar section, click New Event. This opens a new calendar entry that you can customize. Creating an event is the first step because your out-of-office status is set from within a calendar event rather than from the main calendar screen itself. When the event window appears, click into the event area so you can edit the details. This is where you'll define the time you'll be away and how Outlook should display your availability to others. In the event options, click the status setting and select Out of Office. Choosing this option is important because it tells Outlook to show that block of time as unavailable, which helps co-workers or anyone viewing your calendar understand that you're away. Next, select the time for your out-of-office period. Be careful to choose the correct start and end time, so your calendar reflects your availability accurately. If you're away for part of the day, set a shorter time range. If you'll be gone for a full day or longer, make sure the event covers the full period you need. Taking an extra moment here can help avoid confusion later. Once everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, your out-of-office event will be added to your calendar, and Outlook will display that time as unavailable. This makes it much easier for others to plan around your schedule and know when you're not free. If you want to double-check your work, simply return to your calendar and look for the event in the time slot you selected. If needed, you can always open it again and make changes. That's all it takes to share out-of-office time in Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.